I got a little update on that drill bit holder I made. I'm actually very happy with it. It holds the bits. The bits are not loose. They stay in there pretty snugly. I like the fact that the back is open. I can literally just push it to the back if I want. I'll leave them facing forward so nothing hits. If you're gonna make one, I would recommend when you make it, get a bit that has a indentation kind of like that, that groove. Because I noticed that middle one had one when I made it, and so when I slide this in, it's tight, and right there, it locks in that little groove, so it does not come out. That one there, got a slight one, but it's not much. The first one, it was a smooth bit, I think, and so it'll hold it, but there's no click, there's no lock. I kind of wish I would have had a magnet I could put maybe in the top or bottom, but overall, I'm extremely happy with this. I do keep 3 bits in there a lot of times, and wish I would have done that a long time ago. I've hit it. I've used, like a lot of people, I'll use the back of my drills kind of like a hammer on light things, and I've never had a bit come out yet. So, and I use this drill all day long. So, like I said, if you're looking for a bit holder, that is extremely good. So I was extremely happy with it. So, just kind of a little update on it.